Last example we want to explore. To find the inverse function of x plus 2 over x minus 3, given the domain restriction that x cannot equal 3, x cannot equal positive 3 in that particular one, or obviously it crashes, goes to 0, all heck breaks loose. Step 1, replace f of x with y. So let's rewrite this as y equals x plus 2 over x minus 3. Step 2, switch around. Step 3, solve for y. What do we do here? Well, this is where we have to kind of remember and rely on some of the clever techniques that we've kind of learned in the past. So let's go ahead and let's multiply both sides by a y minus 3. So let me do another color so you know what I'm talking about. It's kind of the lowest common denominator, which will allow some fractions to clear out. So on the right side, I'll have an x times a y minus a 3. On the right side, I'm just left with a y plus a 2. Let's distribute this across. Xy minus 3x equals y plus 2. Let's collect all the y's on one side of the equation and all the non-y's on the other side. So this becomes xy minus y equals 3x plus 2. What do you think we're going to do next? Playing at home. Well, we can factor out a y. Left with an x minus a 1 equals a 3x plus 2. And now you're starting to see the home stretch from there, aren't you? Divide both sides by x minus 1. I get y equals 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 1. And step 4, the last step that we'll do is write it with the appropriate notation. The inverse of f equals 3x plus 2 over x minus 1. And there we found the inverse function. The function that undoes our original function is this function. It's inverse.